Breaking news, Robert Kiyosaki dives in. He just purchased Bitcoin at 100,000, aligning with his bullish prediction for June 2024. Kiyosaki sees Bitcoin as a hedge against economic instability. Stay tuned as we unpack his optimistic outlook and the potential impact on the crypto landscape. Don't miss the excitement. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. And we're starting off with, there are only 10 assets in the world worth more than $1 trillion, and Bitcoin is one of them. As we know, still in the 10th spot, but it is slowly growing up and up, breaking those places, and I guess it's not just the start where we are at right now, and the start is going to begin pretty soon for the bull run that will push us to the new highs. As of now, I still don't feel like it is. Then we go for more. Bitcoin closed the week at the highest price in 805 days. Imagine being bearish on this one. It was in November 2021. Right now we are in February 2024, and it's just almost 3 years right there, actually 2.5, and there we go, that we are back to this price location again, but we're going to break it pretty soon and go above that. Next up, investing in Bitcoin today is akin to investing in Facebook when it had 50 million users, with the potential to grow to the more than 3 billion users it has today. Also, the creator economy is 250 billion industry, but 99% of creators still get paid with fiat currency, as here's why Bitcoin and creators are a match made in heaven. News right there. South Korea ruling party considers lifting ban on spot Bitcoin ETFs and investment products. Also, this was probably the most important weekly close for Bitcoin in 3.5 years. So did you know that whenever Bitcoin made a weekly close above the 0.618 Fibonacci line, it didn't fall below it until the cycle top was reached? If Bitcoin follows the past cycle top end of 2024, early 2025. Also, what do we have there as next? Bitcoin open interest is hitting highs not seen since November 2021. Just and Bitcoin ETFs have taken in the $3.2 billion in just 7 trading days, net of grayscale outflows as well. So all I'm saying, it was only huge inflows for the ETFs, while the grayscale was doing outflows right there on the market. Just and the Bitcoin is preparing for another bull run. We are prepared for it, as the fourth halving coming closer and closer. With the 60 days left, we're almost there. Also, if Bitcoin goes above the $53,000 right now, over $2.6 billion in shorts will be liquidated. Personally, I'm ambivalent, but I'm curious. Some Bitcoiners laughed at 100 trillion USD stock to flow model when we fell to $16,000. Are you still laughing? Still certain we won't hit 440,000 this cycle? I bet we actually will. Also, Bitcoin and exchanges fall significantly over the weekends, makes them actually selling their coins out to the market with the price increases and the supply is going down. All I'm saying, that they are getting less coins on the exchanges and more coins to the people. Also, Japan goes big on Bitcoin. Japanese cabinet approves crypto assets for investment by venture capital firms. And we're going to the main topic of today's video. Robert Kiyosaki predicts Bitcoin surge 100,000 by June 2024. Robert Kiyosaki has made a bold prediction regarding the future of Bitcoin, forecasting that the cryptocurrency will reach 100,000 by June 2024. Kiyosaki's optimistic outlook stems from his belief that Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation and economic instability. This latest forecast builds upon the Kiyosaki previous assertions, where he expressed confidence in Bitcoin's potential to reach even higher valuations. Renowned author and investor Robert Kiyosaki, famous for his groundbreaking work Rich Dad Poor Dad, has once again sparked discussions within the financial circles with his latest Bitcoin forecast. Taken to social media, Kiyosaki confidently asserted that Bitcoin is on track to reach the significant milestone of 100,000 by June 2024. This bold projections aligns with his previous predictions, where he expressed firm conviction that Bitcoin's price could surge to 120,000 by the end of this year and potentially skyrocket to an impressive 500,000 valuation by 2025. So, Robert Kiyosaki's Bitcoin outlook. As Robert Kiyosaki unwavering confidence in Bitcoin stems from his belief that cryptocurrency is the hedge against inflation and an economic instability. He has consistently emphasized the importance of financial preparedness and portfolio diversification, advocating for assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin, drawing from his acclaimed work, Rich Dad's Prophecy. Kiyosaki has issued cautionary insights regarding potential financial upheaval, reinforcing the significance of proactive and informed financial management. While Kiyosaki predictions have garnered mixed reactions among the experts, his emphasis on financial acumen and the imperative of diversification resonates with many investors navigating today's complex economic landscape. The cryptocurrency market's trajectory remains uncertain, and the realization of Kiyosaki's forecast is subject to various factors. However, his advocacy for Bitcoin and his call for financial readiness have struck a chord with individuals seeking stability and growth amidst prevailing market volatility. As Bitcoin continues to dominate headlines and attract interest from institutional and retail investors, Kiyosaki's bold projection contributes to the ongoing discourse surrounding the cryptocurrency's market potential. While some remain skeptical in his forecasts, others find merit in his strategic approach to wealth management and asset allocation. Whether Bitcoin will reach 100,000 by June 2024 remains to be seen, but Kiyosaki insights have undoubtedly fueled discussions within the financial community. And in conclusion, we have that Robert Kiyosaki's latest forecast regarding Bitcoin's price trajectory has stirred worldwide anticipation and debate among the investors. His assertion that Bitcoin is poised to achieve 100,000 by June 2024 adds to his series of optimistic predictions for the cryptocurrency's future. While some view his projections skeptically, many acknowledge the significance of Kiyosaki's emphasis on financial preparedness and diversification. Whether Bitcoin will reach the 100,000 milestone remains uncertain, but Kiyosaki's advocacy for the cryptocurrency underscores the ongoing evolution of the global financial landscape. Investors closely monitor developments in the cryptocurrency market, seeking opportunities for growth and stability in an ever-changing economic environment. Also, Michael Saylor doubles down on his Bitcoin bet, dismissing gold. Esteemed Bitcoiner Michael Saylor, who founded the business intelligence giant MicroStrategy and was its chief executive for a long time, has made a bullish statement on Bitcoin, comparing its superfluous performance to that of gold since 2020. In the meantime, the president of Bianco Research, Jim Bianco, believes that launching spot Bitcoin ETFs was a giant mistake. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin versus gold statement. Saylor, who recently stepped down as a MicroStrategy CEO and is now the head of the company's Bitcoin strategy, has published a post that shows that since August 10, 2020, the world's leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has skyrocketed by 333%, while its physical rival gold has lost 1% since then. At the present time of the writing, Bitcoin is changing hands above the 52,000, having seen an impressive increase of 9% since last Monday, and gold is trading at the 2018. Between February 1st and February 14th, XAU lost more than 9%, dropping below the $2,000 level. But however, from the day until now, it has recorded slightly more than just the 1%. That's all the information we have on the Bitcoin so far. If you're interested in more daily updates, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more news. See you in the next one, and peace.